going on, guys? So we're on our third day of really poor weather, pouring down rain as usual. So yesterday we made beef short ribs, so today I want to make chili with the leftovers. So here we go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to dice up the beef short ribs and the vegetables. We're going to do these in small cubes. We'll dice these up, put them in one bowl, since when we go to put them in the pot, they're just going to cook together. So let's do that first. We got all the veggies in here simmering with a little bit of olive oil. I'll probably let them go for about 10-15 minutes or until the onions become translucent. While that's happening, we got the chorizo cooking here. Once that's done, we'll throw in the leftover beef ribs and keep going from there. Alright, so chorizo's brown. There's a little bit of fat in there. You can strain that if you want, but I'm not going to because this beef right here is going to absorb it all, so just go ahead and dump that in. Get it mixed up. So vegetables have been cooking for about 10-15 minutes, so we're going to add a little bit of cumin. Just follow your heart's desire, that's what I do. Oh, that should work. Do a little bit of oregeno. A little bit of chili powder. And a little bit of cayenne red pepper. Mix that up and let it cook for another couple of minutes. Alright, time to add the meat. And we're going to add some worcestershire. I like a lot. You choose how much you want to do. Some hot sauce, kitchen bouquet, tomato paste, kidney beans, or any beans you really want to use, doesn't matter. And we'll mix this up. Got everything together so far. It's been simmering for about 10 minutes, so now we're going to add some beef broth. I got 3 cups in here. We'll see. Might be too much, and I might let off. That looks good. Then you also want to add beer of your choice. And the best part is you get rewarded with the other half of beer. Now you're going to cover that up, crank up the heat, get it to a simmer. Once it's down to a simmer, or once it starts to boil, crank the heat down a little bit low, and then let it simmer for about an hour. Well, now we got her to a nice rumbling boil, so I let it do that for about, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. Doesn't have to be that long. So now we're gonna lower the temperature, get it down to a simmer, put the lid on top, and now you have an hour to do whatever you want. Welcome back. So it's been about an hour. This is what it's looking like. She's been simmering for a good time, so I'd say we could call this done. So let's get her plated up. Well, there you have it. We got leftover beef rib chili on an awesome rainy Sunday. So if you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, all that jazz. Thanks for watching.